Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So this is a tutorial for these amazing new little mini books that I have just recently added to my Etsy. And I'm having to do a voiceover because for whatever reason the sound did not take when I recorded this. Now, I have two different sets. So this set is the vintage Valentine cards. It is a mini set. And I believe I am going to show you how it comes. And I just recorded this video today and I don't remember. But anyway, so you get 4 covers and you get enough insides to do those 4 covers with 3 little inserts in each one. And they have the images and line paper and some blank paper. Just make some very cute little books. I love to just I have a whole bunch of different ones sitting on my shelf. I thought I had already listed all of them in my Etsy, but I realized that I didn't. I had created the mini books for my mother-in-law because she done a lot of miniature stuff, and she passed away last year, and I had no desire to list them, but that's not fair to her. And so that one is the vintage Valentine cards. Look how cute that top little cover is. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh, y'all, I love it. So cute. Okay, and so this set is the vintage Valentine. So this is just like vintage Valentine images. And you can see it's got some, again, it's got line pages, blank pages. It's got some different images in there, all relating to Valentine's. So these make cute little journals. You can add stuff to them. You can ink them up. There's so much you can do to them. And you can see this one is another one. I love all of these images. They are adorable. I probably have 20 of these little books sitting on a little shelf at my office at work. But you can see, so you could write in them if you wanted to, and you could take little mini ephemera and put in it. And I glued that page to the back page. Leave it to me, guys. Y'all should know I would do something crazy like that. And apparently I glued those pages together as well. I was in a rush, and obviously I didn't check the sound before I uploaded the video. And guys, y'all should be used to this kind of stuff from me. But look how cute those look, just like that. Oh, I love them. Love, love, love them. So this is how they come. You get 4 covers, and I printed this on the covers. I printed on cardstock, and so I made sure I put on there best if printed on cardstock, just to kind of remind you. So you get 4 covers, and then you get 2 sheets, and I printed these on copy paper. And so each one of the strips, there's like 6 strips, would be 1 set. And so when you cut it, and I'll go into that and show you. So this sheet here is like blank pages and line pages. So that one is the vintage Valentine set, and this one is the vintage Valentine card set. And again, you get the 4 covers, and then just like with the other, I printed these 2 pages on regular copy paper. And so these are linked below in the description box, the link to them in my Etsy shop. And so I've already cut some of these out, and how you go about doing these, and they're just so cute. I love them. And see how it's got the, it still has the, what is it, 6 images, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So that is 1 strip. So you cut that strip, you know, each of those are a strip. And I will show you in just a minute how to put them together. And so how you do the covers, it's very easy. So you just simply take the cover and you fold it in half, just like that. And then I get a bone folder and I burnish that fold down real good. And then I just take a little bit of glue. You could use a glue stick or, you know, whatever glue that you want to use. I would probably use something that's going to be a little more sturdy. And then you just simply close it down just like that. And so when you look at it, you can see the spine there. And then what I done is I took and lined up the lines for the spine on my scoreboard, and I scored it. You do not have to score it. You can fold along the lines. It just made it a little easier for me to score it. And so you can see my score lines there. And I went right along the black lines on each side of that spine, and see how much easier that just, it folds so easy. And you can see there's the little book. Isn't that adorable? Just like that, guys. That is adorable in and of itself. I love it. Which y'all know I love little stuff anyway. So these you're going to fold accordion style. And I messed up a couple times on this, but you do want to fold it that way, the way that I'm folding it right now, because you want that white to be on the outside. Now you can fold it whichever way you want to do it, but at the end, before you go to start gluing it down, you want to make sure you have that white on the outside. So I just kind of fold along the lines there, back and forth, to get that accordion fold. And you could score it if you want to, and I've scored it as well before, and I found that it's just as easy because it's printed on copy paper. It is very easy to just fold just like that without it being scored. And so I put 3 in each little book. Now you could print more of them if you wanted to, and chunk them little books up, put 4, 5, 6 of them in there. I've done some that had like 6 in there, and they are so cute. So once you get it to this point, you want, like I said, you want to have 3 of them. And I went ahead and folded some, so that you guys did not have to watch me wrestle with that, because Lord knows this video has been enough of a headache. And if you look right there, see how that blank page one is laying down? I don't have the white edges on the outside, and you'll see the issue that it causes in just a minute. I should have called it, but nope, I didn't. So you want to make sure that you pick whatever you want to be your front page. I always pick one that has an image on it. And you want to glue that page together and that page together, so that your little white flaps are sticking out. This one I done very good. I done good on this one. Just like that. Those pages are glued together, and there are my white flaps sticking out. Now, smart, brilliant Betty Renfro did not pay attention to how I had that folded. And I just glued it. And then when I go to do it, look, guys, I messed it up. And so thankfully my glue was not dry enough, and I was able to put it the right way. But I finally, when I done that, I realized that I had it folded. Still had it folded accordion style, but I had it folded going in the wrong direction. And I probably could have just set that to the side and grabbed another one, but you guys know me. I meant I was going to make that one work, and I did. So that's all that matters. Now, there we go. See, the white flaps are on the outside. Then I realized I had this one folded wrong, so I'm refolding it real quick to just get those white flaps on the outside like it should be. And now I'll glue those pages together. It's amazing how much easier it goes whenever you have it done correctly. Okay, so once you get that, what you're going to do is you're going to attach the white page, the back of that white page. Sorry, that's a tumbler getting done. You're going to attach the back of that one to the front of the second one. And then you're going to attach the back of the second one to the front of the third one. And if you wanted to add more, you would just keep adding just the same way by attaching them to each other. But I only done 3. And so there's the inside of my book. So easy, so simple. And you can see how I've got it done there. It's just showing you how that attaches in there. You could glue that spine down if you want to. I just never do, but you absolutely could. So now I'm just going to take and make sure when you're putting your images, your pages together, if your pages have images on any of them, make sure that all of your images are facing the same direction. Don't ask me how I know to tell you that. Y'all wouldn't guess how many I've glued upside down. Y'all would guess how many I've glued upside down considering my crazy mishaps with today's video. So I'm just gluing that the front page of that first little signature, I guess you'd call it, into the front of that cover, just like that. And now I'm going to take that back page and I am going to glue it to the back cover. And I try to get it as close to, excuse me, that spine as I can. And I just want it to be able to close, and it has a little bit of give and leeway, and that's it, guys. Look how simple that is. So, well, it's simple when you do it correctly. And most of you guys would do it correctly. I'm the crazy one that just, I don't know what I was thinking today when I was doing those. I don't know. I was in a hurry. I had a hair appointment. I had to cover some of this gray, and I guess the gray was messing with my head. But now that the gray is all covered, I think I'm thinking clearly again. So be on the lookout in my Etsy store though, because I do have a lot of these little mini books already done, already designed. They've been designed for over a year. I just, because I had created them for my mother-in-law, and when she passed away, I just really didn't have the heart to put them in my Etsy, but she wouldn't want that. So I am going to list them. But these two kits are already linked in the description box below. So make sure you head over there and grab yours, and stay tuned because there will be more. Now, I don't know if I will see you guys tomorrow. I had said that my videos would be Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, but I was having issues uploading the video, excuse me, the baby book video for today. I was having trouble, so I don't know if I'll do the fourth part for Thursday. Excuse me. Great goodness alive, y'all. Anyway, I will see you guys either tomorrow or Thursday. Thank you all so much for bearing with me, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.